Here we come to the elevator at the bookstore at Duke University in Durham, North Carolina. It's an ESCO with GAL. I filmed this elevator back in 2017. It's still original as of today. One is locked. This elevator's still the same like I remember. Alright, we're gonna close both doors up and get a listen to the motor. Here we go.
It doesn't work.
Oh, it doesn't?
Nope.
There's Alex. These are your GAL fixtures. According to records, this is an ESCO.
Up on a 3.
Where's your phone? Picture that fornicator. Alright, there it goes, and that's it. Which elevator?